Hello real coders, welcome to LeetCode 2703, return lengths of arguments passed. I'm going to be solving this using JavaScript, and the question reads, write a function arguments lengths that returns the count of arguments passed to it. The question is really simple. Our job is to return the number of arguments that are passed to our function. So an example here, we're given an array with one single element, and our output is 1 because one value was passed to that function. Second example, we're given an array of 3 elements, and our output is 3 because 3 values were passed to that function. So a very simple and easy problem for us to do. As far as our intuition, we're given arguments, so we must return the length, and we can use the JavaScript's built-in method, the dot length, specifically the dot length method, to get the lengths of that argument. So we're gonna use the JavaScript's built-in method to get the length. Okay, so this is our intuition. As far as our approach, we're basically just going to return the arguments dot length, which is the built-in method, the JavaScript's built-in method, to get the length of the argument, and that should satisfy our need. So let's get to coding. So as far as our comment, we're just basically gonna return the length of args, and this would look like this. Okay, let's run it. Both of our test cases have passed. Let's submit it. Yes, and it's accepted. So this is how we do LeetCode 2703, return lengths of arguments passed. Thank you.